Today, Cambridge reached 34 in the southeast, just not as hot as yesterday. Morning to you too. Sal is absolutely right. It was the hottest day of this year so far yesterday. Cambridge reached 34.8 Celsius. Now today, it's still going to be very warm and hot in the southeast, just not as hot as yesterday and not as humid either. And as we go through the rest of the week, it's going to turn that bit cooler. There'll be rain at times, but equally there'll still be quite a bit of sunshine around as well. We're starting off with a lot of dry weather this morning, fair bit of sunshine. For most, it is quite a warm start to the day, but we do have this weather front in the west and it's producing cloud and some rain, and that's slowly going to be edging eastwards as we go through the day. Behind it, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, a few showers, but unseasonably windy, gales around the Outer Hebrides and the Isle of Skye. And you can see how the rain moves in across Wales and into the southwest, but it should stay dry across the far southeast. And here we could see temperatures up to perhaps 29 or 30 degrees in Norfolk and Suffolk, fresher in the north and the west, 22 in Cardiff. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our band of rain continues to push southwards and eastwards, weakening all the time. Some clear skies follow on behind, one or two showers in the northwest, and here the winds will continue to ease. Temperatures tonight ranging from 8 in the north to 16 or 17 in parts of southern England and South Wales. So then we start tomorrow with our weak weather front continuing to fizzle. Might get the odd shower out of this band of cloud. A lot of dry weather follows on behind. Again, both Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. But here too, the wind's going to strengthen through the day. Later the cloud will build and we'll see some rain. And these are our temperatures, 15 in the north to 24 in the south. And then, Sal and John, we've got some heavier rain, which some of us may well be quite pleased about on Thursday.
Especially the garden. Thank you. Thanks, Carol.
Thank you too. For most of us, it's a fairly mild start to the day, but if you live in Braemar, you may well disagree. It's only 5 degrees for you, but in Belfast and Milford Haven, it is currently 16. Now, it is going to cool down as we go through the rest of the week. We're not going to have the dizzy heights of 34.8 Celsius as we saw yesterday in Cambridge. There'll be rain at times, but equally there will be some sunshine. Today, we've got this clutch of fronts out towards the west. They're bringing in some cloud and also some rain. But you can see this little ridge of high pressure coming in behind. So we're starting off with a lot of dry weather, fair bit of sunshine. The sunshine at times will be hazy, but out to the west, we've got the cloud and also the rain, and that's sweeping eastwards through the day, followed by sunshine and showers, and unseasonably windy in the northwest. We're looking at gales in the Outer Hebrides and the Isle of Skye. Temperatures today, 16 to 20 in western areas. As we push further east, 26 to 28. Possibly we could see 30 in Norfolk and Suffolk. Now, through this evening and overnight, our band of cloud and rain continues to push southwards and eastwards. Clearer skies follow on behind. The winds start to ease. There could be some murk around the hills and coasts connected with this weather front. And temperature-wise, falling away between 8 and a milder 16. Still quite uncomfortable for sleeping in the far southeast. So we start with this cloud, some spots of rain coming out of this, move away from that through much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, the rest of England and also Wales. And we're looking at a brighter day, but through the day, the wind's going to pick up once again out towards the west. The cloud will thicken and later on, we'll see some rain coming our way. Temperatures tomorrow, 15 in the north to about 23 or 24 in the south. And that rain that we saw coming in during the latter part of Wednesday will sweep southwards during the course of Thursday. And some of it will be quite heavy, Sal and John.
Carol, I tell you what, the weather here in the studio is currently really rather nice.